back settled. What is the feeling inside as an actor, as an individual?
Mixed feelings. Sometimes we're really excited, especially when we meet people and the feedback's good. But then there are also those days when we're very nervous, especially when we're alone. I think जब भी हम अकेले रहते हैं, that's when the butterflies start, right?
Yeah, I think a little bit of sleepless nights, but whenever we're together, we've seen the product, we're pretty confident. What we've made, we are very confident of the film. काम अच्छा है.
बस Friday opening में जाए आप लोग सब 13 जून जल्दी जाके थिएटर में ये फिल्म देखो. It's a beautiful story and we're just hoping that people love it and are entertained as much as we've loved working on this film.
What am I asking about? What really made you to be part of this movie? What was the reason for being?
The script, obviously, and I did this film for the right reasons. Because script, when I read the script, I definitely instantly wanted to be a part of the script, and the producers are amazing, yeah. And my director, after I did some auditions with him, I realized that because he's an actor, तो वो अच्छे से performance हमारी निकालेंगे. और first film you need somebody to guide you, and because हमारे director ऐसे थे जो actor भी रह चुके हैं, तो I think it was the perfect start here. Because today, as newcomers, it's a very different film to start with. This film comes with a social message, and it's got a lot going on. So I'm very content today. I was sitting in my producer's room right now, and we were discussing that what is the kind of opening we're expecting, what are the kind of numbers. The advance booking is started today, so the response is going to come in very soon. So I am very excited. I don't think I'm going to move from this office. मैं इधर अपने producer के इधर ही bed डाल के इधर आज मैं रहने वाला हूँ. अब 3-4 दिन में इधर से हिलने नहीं वाला, क्योंकि now our work is done. Now we need to see how people are reacting, what the business is going to be, what what the response is, what the reactions are. So very excited.
What would you say?
It's a huge opportunity to get a role like this in your first film. The script, of course, is the USP of the film. Script is king in this film. But for me, playing a role which is so different from who I am, also for a girl to get a performance-oriented role right in my first film, that's what excited me. That's why I decided that I have to go nail this audition. I had to just be this character and psych my director that I could do this. And now let's just hope that people like it.
For me, I actually knew Kabir sir before, so I think the way he narrated Aditya to me with that passion, I fell in love with the character. That was the first part. Then script is pretty good. You get to know that there's a big producer who's a big production house supporting the project. There's Jimmy Shergill, there's Vijender, there's this amazing cast. So everything contributed to me jumping on the project.
What do you know about the character one by one and the tagline associated with the character as such? Likewise, your name is Dev Majumdar and then Banjara. But what's it all about?
Banjara, he's a traveler, nomad है, घूमता फिरता है. बहुत केयरफ्री आदमी है, और दैट्स हिज कैरेक्टर. तभी बंजारा कहते हैं क्योंकि इसका क्या काम है, इसका एडवेंचर कैंप्स ऑर्गेनाइज करना. तो ये फिल्म में एक पार्ट भी है जहाँ पे ही इज जस्ट सेट अप अ एडवेंचर कैंप, और क्योंकि इट्स अ न्यू बिजनेस, इट्स अ न्यू थिंग ही इज डूइंग, तो अपने दोस्तों का सपोर्ट मांगता है. और सब देव, देवी, गौरव, आदित्य चारों मिलके जाते हैं लद्दाख, और वहाँ पे एडवेंचर कैंप्स ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. एक ड्राइवर बन जाता है, एक कोई मैनेजर बन जाता है. दे ऑल come together to make this dream come true of organizing adventure camps. और तो he's a very जैसे आप बोलो very carefree person, and कोई टेंशन नहीं है अपना. whatever he does is for and off the friends and with the friends.
What about you, your character?
I play Devi. She's a Dian with guts.
Okay.
She's somebody who represents today's girl. Okay. She's a feminist. She stands up for women, and I think it's very relevant with what's happening in the country as well. हम पढ़ रहे हैं news and we know what's happening with girls. She's somebody who is inside each of us, where I think every girl has that thing inside her that don't let any guy mess with you. So she's like that. She stands up. She's righteous, and she's very gutsy.
आदित्य इज हैरान अबू इन द फिल्म. वो मतलब मिडिल क्लास लड़का है, मिडिल क्लास वैल्यूज बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो वो मतलब जहाँ अपने दोस्तों पे बहुत अकड़ता है, वहाँ जहाँ सिचुएशन थोड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है भागता है उससे. इसके लिए उसको बोलते हैं यार तू हक देता है हर टाइम पे. बट देयर इज अ सिचुएशन वेयर ही राइजेस अप फॉर सच अ बिग थिंग एज अ कैरेक्टर का ग्राफ बहुत अच्छा है. वेयर हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड अप सेइंग यार तूने सच में हैरान कर दिया. सो देयर इज अ प्रॉपर ग्राफ टू हिम. आई थिंक ही इज वन ऑफ दोस मिडिल क्लास बॉयज एवरीबॉडी विल रिलेट टू. इज अ फन एलिमेंट इन द फिल्म. सो